of civilization, animals have played an important role in the life of human beings. We have animals like dogs, cats, and parrots as pets. Every day, we use many products like milk, cheese, honey, eggs, and meat as food. These are obtained from animals. Horses and oxen are used as draught animals to draw wagons and carts. They are also used to assist the farmers in their fields. Usefulness of animals in our day-to-day life. Silk and wool that are used for making cloth come from silkworm and sheep respectively. Leather obtained from the skin of animals like goat, sheep, and buffalo is used to make shoes, purses, and bags. Pearls used as jewelry are obtained from oysters. Many types of fish, prawns, lobsters, and crabs are used as seafood. Animals like horses, camels, elephants are used as means of transport. In the ancient times, kings had dogs that used to assist them in hunting in the forests. At present, dogs assist police in various search operations. Animal waste like cow dung is converted to compost. Compost makes soil fertile for the growth of plants. Wildlife. Wildlife includes all those plants and animals that live and grow in their natural surroundings. Wildlife is found everywhere in plains, rivers, mountains, seas, rainforests, and deserts. Today, there are very few places left on the earth where wildlife is totally untouched by the human beings. Wild animals were present on the earth long before the arrival of human beings. They have as much right to live here as we do. However, we, the human beings, are destroying the natural surroundings of these animals by cutting down forests and by polluting rivers. Due to this, many wild animals are not able to live in their changed surroundings and are increasingly becoming extinct. Extinct animals are those animal species which are no longer living. Animals like Tasmanian tiger, uagga, passenger pigeon, golden toad, and Caribbean monk seal have already become extinct. Endangered animals are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct. Animals like African elephant, Bactrian camel, bald eagle, tamarin, and panda are some of the animals that face the danger of becoming extinct. Kenya's Masai Mara, one of the world's most famous wildlife sanctuaries, was recently voted one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. However, it's getting seriously threatened by human activities. Dangers of wildlife trade. In many parts of the world, wildlife is in danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activities. These are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. This is known as wildlife trade. Now let's discuss the body parts of various animals that are being used for trading. Elephants. They are hunted for their tusks. The tusks or ivory as it is commonly known as, are used for making jewelry and decoration pieces. North and South American bears are also being killed for their gallbladder, which are then smuggled to other countries and used to make medicines. Rhinoceroses are being slaughtered for their horns. These are grounded into powder formed to make medicines. Musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi, an ingredient of many perfumes. A variety of mountain goat is hunted because its hair yield a very expensive variety of wool, pashmina. Tigers, endangered throughout their range, are killed for making use of their bones. The skin of tigers are used to decorate walls by hunters. Tiger claws and teeth are worn as jewelry by many superstitious persons who think that these are bring them good luck. Legs of frog are eaten as they are considered to be a delicacy. About 200 million to 1 billion frog legs are consumed each year. This might lead to the extinction of many species of frogs. Such a decrease in the population of frogs will affect many organisms and also increase the insect population. Caviar, another very costly delicacy, is made from the unfertilized eggs of a variety of fish. However, this has led to a steady decline in the number of this variety of fish. If this type of illegal trade continues, many species may disappear from Earth. Protection of wildlife. We hear of cases where monkeys are troubling people. They often take away things from their houses. Sometimes we hear of leopards and tigers having become man-eaters. We should realize that they are doing so because man is destroying their living areas by cutting down forests. Protection of wildlife is very important. Government of India enacted the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 with the objective of effectively controlling poaching and illegal trade in wildlife. This has been amended in January 2003. Punishment and penalty for offences under the Act have been made more stringent. A very important reason for protecting wildlife is that they form an important part of many food chains. If they are killed, many other animals in that food chain get affected. Food chain is a process of who eats whom. A food chain shows how each living organism gets its food. For example, leaves are eaten by caterpillar, which are further eaten up by frog, and frog is further eaten up by snake. Snake is further eaten by an owl that forms one food chain. If we destroy one link in a food chain, we might end up by destroying the whole food chain. Food chains are found in all habitats, such as desert, water, or plains. Most animals are part of more than one food chain. They also eat more than one kind of animals in order to meet their food requirements. Such interconnected food chains form a food web. Food webs show how plants and animals are interconnected in many ways to help them survive in nature. Care for animals. Many animals are being affected due to the activities of man. Man is destroying a number of food chains and is thereby disturbing the food webs. All such activities would in return affect man also. It is important for all of us to be more considerate toward animals. We should not be cruel toward them. Here is what we can do to prevent cruelty to animals. Do not throw polythene bags in the garbage. Stray cattle can swallow them and they may die. Do not put birds in cages and fishes in aquariums. They feel trapped in small spaces and their life expectancy can get reduced. When visiting a forest, park, or garden, one should not remove eggs of birds from their nests. Put some water in an earthen bowl and keep it outside, especially during summers. You will be able to see many birds coming there to quench their thirst. If you have pets, get them the love and good care they deserve. If the pet animals appear to be sick, take it to the veterinarian. Talk to your friends about how to treat animals with kindness and respect. Be a good role model. Visit and support your local animal rescue organization. PETA, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, is an animal rights organization. It is the largest animal rights group in the world. PETA's slogan is "Animals are not for us to eat, to wear, to experiment on, and use for entertainment." The organization focuses on 4 core issues: factory farming, fur farming, animal testing, and animals in entertainment.